A very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us again in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to sell digital products on Payhip. With Payhip, you are able to sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more just from this same platform. And the digital downloads here will include design assets, software, ebooks, video, music, and more. And you can also sell online courses, coaching, membership, and also physical products. So to access Payhip, you'll go to payhip.com, and that link is available in the description of this video. On the top right corner, you'll see Get Started, but it's also down here, So you click on Get Started for free, and this will give you a chance now to sign up. You put your details here, that is your name, your email address, and your password, and then you click on Create Account down here, and that will bring you to the Payhip welcome account. And this is where you now put your details. You enter your store name here, and this will be displayed in your store. So you put your store name here. So I'll call my store Victory. And now that welcomes you to the Payhip page. Down here, at the top here, you notice we have the dashboard, product, store, analytics, marketing, and customers. And then you can also get your messages here. On the top right corner, this is where you have your account, where you can get to your settings, and you can also build your store through the store builder. Now down here, you now notice we have the products here. You can add your first product, you can set up your checkout, and you customize your store design. So we want to add a digital product. So what we do is you click on add your first product there. You click on add product again here, and then select the product type. Remember, in this tutorial, we want to sell digital products. So we are going to select digital product, which is the first one here. But you can also, depending on what you are selling, you can choose the others, including courses, membership, physical products, coaching services, or maybe a bundle. So in this case, we want to just go up here and click on digital product. That's what we want to sell on Payhip. So after that, you now come to your page here. This is where you add your new digital product. You start selling, you upload your product files here. So you enter the price, also the cover image, and the description. So at the top here, this is where you upload the product file, and all formats are accepted. So you click on upload product, and then here you choose the title, here you'll choose the price, and then you'll add the cover image here, or the product image there, and then the description will be down here, then the visibility will set there. So let's start from the top here. So we want to add or upload a product. And so for instance, let's say our digital product is an email service. We are selling an email service that possibly helps manage or send emails to someone. So we are going to click on upload product file, and then we'll go to our PC, and then we select the product image. So we are going to use this image as our product image at the top there. So it's uploading, and now you notice it has uploaded our product image. We can also upload another file. If we need to do that, you can upload that. Then down here, you choose the title of your product. So what is this product called? It's a digital product, so we are going to call it Email Manager. And remember, you can sell other things such as maybe Spotify subscriptions and all that. As long as it is a digital product, you can sell it here. And then you can choose the price here. You can change the currency either from USD, GBP, Euro, AUD. You can select any other here. You put the price for your product here. For the digital product you are selling, what is the price? So for this one, it goes for 150 US dollars. So you choose that. And then here, you can embed a video or an audio. So to embed a video or an audio, wherever you have now put your video, you'll click on embed, and then you can paste the link here. And this can be a YouTube link, a Vimeo, or a SoundCloud link. And then you add it here. And then now here, we add our cover image, and we add images or embed audios just like you have shown here. but we just want to add an image here, which will be simply a product image, and recommended size is up to 1000 megapixel. So you click on that. Again, go to the images and select the right image that you want to use for this product. So I'll use that as our image, and you can upload another product image here. Then down here, you now add your description. So you can describe your product here. So maybe this service or app helps to manage your emails in one place. So it helps manage all your emails in one place. So that is the description. You can of course put a more detailed description. Then at the top here, you can also edit your description in terms of bolding it, putting hyphens, putting dots, text colors, and all that. For instance, we want just to put all in bold, and then we also want to change that to be in red. So that's how now it looks. You can decorate your description so that you can highlight the important parts of your description. Next, you can also add links here. You can insert a link to your description. You can insert an image. You can also insert a video down here. So then down here now, you can set the visibility. And for visibility here, your store visitors should be able to see this product if you choose visible. That is for the first one. That is, everyone can see this product. If you choose invisible, nobody except you can see this product. And then you can also choose unlisted so that only people who know the direct link to this product can see it, and it won't be listed alongside other products on your store. So you choose the one that you want. In this case, we want it to be visible. So I'll click on visible, and then now you can click on add product. However, you can still go to advanced options so that now you can change all this. This product has different variations. Maybe if, for instance, it does, you can click on that, and then you can now give the variations. For instance, if we have variations in terms of maybe the free version, or maybe we have the premium version, you can type there premium, and then that is the one that goes for 150. Then you can describe what premium is. It has ABC features. It has all these features. Then you can add another variation, maybe that is super premium that goes for 2000 US dollars or 200, and then you can keep on changing all that. You simply click on add variant. So we have premium that goes for that. It has ABC. We can click on add a new variant. So this one, we are going to call it super premium, that goes for $200. And then the description here, A, B, C, D, E, F, maybe it has more features than the other one. So that's how you simply add different variations of your digital product. Then you can also choose any other here depending on what your product is. This product is tax exempt, product is an ebook. Whichever description for your product here is, you select that. And then you'll come down here and click on add product. And with that, your product has been added. So you notice at the top here, your product email manager was added successfully. And of course, this is a product page link. So if you want to share this link with people so that they can come to this site, you simply select this. You can copy that link, and then you can now share that maybe on your social media platforms, so that once people click on that link, they can simply be brought to your product here, and then they can purchase. You can also share your products with your fans and followers using Facebook or Twitter, that is X. You can just click on share on Facebook or share on Twitter, and your product will be added. So after you do that, make sure you can come back and add your checkout method, so that once people purchase your digital product, you are also able to receive your payment. I hope this has been helpful. That is simply how you sell digital products on Payhip. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.